everyone. Today I'm going to talk about joy for no reason and how to make joy a core value in your life. So, thanks for joining today. Let's see. Joy, it often seems as something that we must earn, joy, something that we must work toward, an outcome of achieving goals and securing love or creating the perfect life. But what if joy wasn't something to chase? What if joy was simply who you are, a natural expression rather than a distant reward? The truth is, joy takes no effort when we stop blocking it. This is crucial to understand and to remember. Let me repeat it. Feeling joy takes no effort when we stop blocking it. It doesn't require external validation or a checklist of accomplishments. It exists within us, waiting to be felt, chosen, and expressed freely. So, how do we embrace joy for no reason and make it a core value in our lives? Joy is effortless. It is our essential nature. Have you ever watched a child spin in circles just because it feels good? Or laughed uncontrollably at something completely silly? That's pure joy, unfiltered, unforced, and unburdened by conditions. Somewhere along the way, we learned that joy must be deserved, that we need a reason to be happy, that unless everything in life is perfect, we should hold off on feeling good. How crazy is that? Here's the radical truth. Joy is always available. Joy is not something we achieve. It is something we allow. Joy is a natural state, like breathing, when we stop resisting it. The key is to make space for joy rather than waiting for permission to feel it. Here's one woman's wake-up call to joy. Meet Claire, not her real name, a woman who has spent years believing that joy must be earned. She was a hardworking, professional, loving mother and a devoted friend. But deep inside, she felt consistently tired. One day, she sat in a coffee shop, scrolling through her phone, checking her emails, and mentally organizing her endless to-do list. She barely noticed a warm sunlight on her face and the sound of soft laughter from a nearby table. She barely noticed the way the rich aroma of coffee filled the air. Then an unexpected moment happened. A little girl at the next table spilled her drink and burst into giggles. Not frustration, not embarrassment, but just pure, unshakable delight at the mess she'd made. Claire watched in awe. She realized that she used to feel that way. When did life become so serious? When did joy become a luxury instead of being a way of being? Something inside her shifted. Claire set an intention to welcome joy back into her life, not when she deserved it, not when everything was perfect, but now. Here are 5 ways to make joy a core value in your life. 1, decide that joy is who you are. Instead of seeing joy as something to chase, recognize that it's already within you. Affirm to yourself daily, I choose joy, not because of my circumstances, but because it is my essence. I am joy. Number 2, stop postponing happiness. You don't need a vacation, a promotion, or a perfect relationship to feel joyful. Find the joy in simple moments, in a deep breath, in the sound of the wind, in a warm cup of tea. Number 3, make a space for joy as an intention. Set a reminder. How can I invite more joy into this moment? Before bed, reflect, what brought me joy today? Even small things count. Number 4, let go of the idea of a deserving mindset. Joy isn't something you earn. It's something you allow. Imagine if children only laughed when they deserve to laugh. How absurd. Number 5, express joy freely. Laugh out loud. Dance in your kitchen. And wear colors that feel good and make you happy. Joy doesn't require an audience. It's for you, and that's enough. Joy is not an outcome. It's a way of living. Joy isn't something you get once life is perfect. Joy is what makes life feel perfect, no matter the circumstances. Like Claire, you can wake up to joyful, effortless joy. You can decide that joy is your birthright, not a reward. You can imagine bathing in a sea of joy. It feels delightful to do that every day for about 5 minutes. I imagine bathing in a sea of joy every morning for a few minutes, and it sets the tone for an awe-filled day. I love feeling awe, don't you? So today, ask yourself, where am I postponing joy? What small joy can I welcome right now? And then smile, laugh, breathe deeply, and let joy find you. No effort required. Is this topic interesting to you? What other topics do you want to explore that can truly heal what ails you? I encourage you to join a supportive community to help to focus on what is most important to you. Together in a group, you can explore the vibrant spectrum of healing and empowerment, transforming your life from simply surviving to thriving. If you're ready to go deeper to reclaim your truth and your power, join me for my course and supportive community of women called Surviving to Thriving, Your Journey to Resilience and Empowerment. You don't have to travel on your healing journey alone. You're capable of so much more than you ever dreamed possible. Don't let your old friends and limitations and old beliefs continue to dictate how you navigate your life. My online course and membership program, Surviving to Thriving, is amazing and powerful and full of value. And get this, still for a limited time, we are offering the smoking deal of 80% off. So if you're interested in that, go to em-course.com/special. This discounted program is filling up fast, so jump on it right away if you haven't already. The best investment of your time and money is you. You deserve the best, don't you? Choose to make the most of you and your life journey. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time and attention more than you can ever know. I'm sending you so much love, light, and empowerment.